Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi TV won't turn on. So, first of all, if your TV won't turn on with your remote control, try replacing the batteries inside. So remove the back cover of your remote control and replace the old two batteries with a pair of new ones, and try pressing the power button to turn your device on again. If not, then try to find the physical button on your Xiaomi TV. In my case, it's located right beneath the Xiaomi logo at the bottom of the TV, and I can easily reach it with my finger. So just press the power button and try turning on your TV. And if it doesn't work for you, well, first of all, check for LED indicator. It should be glowing on in standby mode on most TVs, unless you manually disable this feature in settings. So if you didn't disable LED lighting in standby mode, LED indicator in standby mode, then it should be glowing. If it's not glowing, then most probably your TV is not firmly connected from both sides. So check both the cable on the side of your TV, check if it's firmly connected into your TV. Maybe it's just maybe you moved your TV a little and it's slightly disconnected, and that's the reason why your TV won't turn on. And also check the other side in the power outlet, or the extension of the power outlet, and check both sides and check if the LED indicator starts working. And if it's not, let's perform the power cycle of the TV. In order to do that, we're gonna have to remove the TV cable from the power outlet and leave it like this for about 5 minutes for the TV to perform the power cycle. And after these 5 minutes, you're gonna have to reinsert the cable back into the power outlet. And if your LED indicator doesn't start glowing again, then you're gonna have to first remove all the peripherals from your TV, like HDMI cables, all of the flash drive, USB flash drives, all of the peripherals, all of the TV cables, and just leave the TV like this with the power cable inserted directly into the power outlet instead of the extension or anything else. So just plug your TV directly into the power outlet and then try turning it on, for example using the physical button, and see if it works for you this time. And if not, then at this point the problem is either in the faulty power cable, so you can try and replace the power cable to your device, or maybe there is a hardware issue inside your TV. Anyways, if it's a hardware issue, I highly recommend contacting the Xiaomi customer support service and telling them about this problem and letting them care of your device. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.